Hi guys, I am Marie and I'm back with YouTuber Paul. And we're gonna talk today about Yogiyo.
Yogiyo!
Right, I see that you're a big fan.
Yogiyo!
First of all, let's have a look what Yogiyo is. Yogiyo is one of the oldest Korean delivery apps, and we recommend it for all the foreigners that are not living in major cities like Seoul, because this is one of the only delivery app options that you have if you live in the countryside. Let's learn from Paul what his relationship is with Yogiyo.
History of delivery food.
When I first moved to Korea back in the day, the first time, there was no delivery apps.
Right.
Like, I had to, I had to literally pick up a phone and be like, I remember the first time I was really hungover and I wanted McDonald's. And I called, there was no English speaker, and I tried, no food ever came. So about a year later, I got the courage up and I called and I ordered Chinese food, and it came to my house. And I don't know what I ordered, because I had a huge set menu of like 2 things of Jajangmyeon and big tung-suyuk and mandu, and it was heaven. I spent like $50 that day, but it didn't really matter.
But you had Chinese food.
Because it came to my house, and ever since that moment I was like, oh, I love delivery. But then I moved on to Yogiyo, and that was
slowly.
Exactly. So and as time's gone by,
I would only use like Yogiyo when I'm outside Seoul, and Yogiyo work everywhere. So when I'm like in a resort or hiking or on a day trip, that's when I would order from those apps.
Setting up Yogiyo became much easier than it used to be in the past. Now you can just download the app from the App Store. Once the app is installed, open it up and accept all terms and conditions. And then the first thing you need to do is finding your address. Again, like every delivery app, you type your address in Korean and find the right option. And once that is done, you can add more details, and that's it. Now you're ready to order.
We're gonna have Jajangmyeon and tung-suyuk, because I love tung-suyuk. I would never figure out what I'm ordering.
Why isn't tung-suyuk closer?
Oh, half-half.
Ooh, we gotta love some half-half.
What about Jajangmyeon?
Yeah.
So I already put in the address, I put everything in, and now it should be on the way. No. My phone number. Okay. I know, it says something in Korean.
Okay, order's complete. That's all that matters.
주문 완료하지 못했습니다.
No, your order's not complete. I don't know, this is one strike against Yogiyo.
No! I think we need
try again, what's it say? Let's see if we can figure it out.
I think we need a helpline.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
And it went through, yes.
Yay. Alright, so on a scale of ease, that was pretty...
Not that easy.
Yeah, not that easy.
But we figured it out.
Exactly.
안내.
음식 시켰어요? 아, 네. 네.
When did we order? 30 minutes. Okay, I'm curious. If you could eat one typical Korean delivery food for the rest of your life, which one would it be?
I would have to struggle between this, jajangmyeon, and fried chicken. But if I had to choose just one, I think I'd go with the fried chicken. Jajangmyeon is nice to also go to the restaurants.
Yes.
Like I eat it for lunch. So it's quick, easy lunch. So I don't always order it. But when I want fried chicken, sometimes it's just like I want fried chicken and beer to my house right now.
I actually order a lot of Western food on delivery apps, and I love ordering burgers. Especially Pipit Burger. Have you tried Pipit Burger?
I think with you.
Oh yeah, probably. So I force a lot of things on my friends.
Yeah, she's a walking advertisement over here. Y'all need to sponsor this woman.
And I don't even get paid for it. I just enforce my... Did you send that Jajangmyeon flying?
I think I did.